Hey guys, good morning. This is Dick's channel. So, come back to my channel. So, ito yung Mitsubishi Pajero. Mayroon tayong ginagawa na part of preventive maintenance. Yan, tinanggalan natin ng oil. At saka oil filter. Yan o. Since oil is one. So, shout out. Mayroon lang tayong awareness regarding this. Shout out, if you want to change the oil filter, must be original, not local, like this one. This is a local, this is not for the Pajero oil filter. So shout out everyone. So must be the original oil filter must be used of the Pajero. For example, this one, this is the part number of Pajero. So this is the part number. So this is the oil filter of part number. So this is the Pajero. So now check the under chassis. So no problem this one. Actually this is only 10,000 service only. So already check the brake. It's no problem. No leaking. So make it check, double check this one. So shout out, they have one supporters of subscriber. Nagtatanong siya kung paano malaman kung sira yung, paano daw malaman yung sira. So i-check mo to dito yung bushing. So check yung bushing, sira ba o hindi. Also the lower arm, ano niya, lower arm assembly. So this is the joint, lower arm ball joint. This one. So this is the assembly. So may technical info tayo ngayon, So this is technical info. So this one this good. So how to check this one? So check the rubber like this. So this one check here. Good, this one. Actually they balawas because this is a bushing, rubber bushing. No problem this one. But they have a play, too much play. This they have a problem. This one, the lower arm assembly. If the bushing, if the lower ball joint was too much play, also this is the damage. But no play. This is a good. Okay. So shout out my friend. Isang Tagalog to siya. Yung ano. I think you are in the Philippines, sir. So ito na yung nasagot na yung problema mo. Paano malaman yung kung ano yung sira sa lower arm assembly, lower arm. So ito yun na. So i-check mo lang dito. So technical info to sa Dick's channel. Ayan. At saka thank you very much sir sa buong suporta nyo kung Dick's. Ito check must be left and right like this one. Here, no problem. So yan, paano pag-check ng lower arm. So shout out sir, thank you very much for always support. So nasagutan natin yung ano mo, yung paano malaman kung saan yung paano yung sira sa lower arm assembly. So thank you guys, thank you. This is a part of technical info channel. This is a Mitsubishi Pajero. You know.